Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your box truck capital of the Midwest. Today, we're looking at a 2018 Ford E350. This van has a 6.8 liter V10 under the hood with only 82,000 miles. The cab interior that you're going to see in a second is equipped with all the amenities that you have come to expect. The GBW on this van is 12,500 pounds. The cargo box that we're looking at right now is 16 foot in length. Hey, do you need E-Track? We can install that for you. Do you need ventilation? More lights? Do you need a lift gate? Holler at us. We can do all that for you. Keep in mind, we offer competitive financing, nationwide warranties, and delivery to your doorstep. Aside from our cargo box sales, we stock cargo vans, work body trucks, 26-foot cargo box trucks. We offer service and repair and monthly secure truck parking to keep your rig safe. Whatever it is you need, you can count on us, the box truck professionals. Give us a call at 405-912-5800 or visit our huge inventory online at Truck-n-Trailer.com. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you soon.